I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and connectivity. Open Settings, tap Apps, choose Google, and make sure camera and storage permissions are granted. Once done, verify you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network so Lens can fetch results. Now, open the Play Store or App Store and check for updates to Google and Google Lens. Updating fixes many compatibility problems. Make sure your phone system updates are installed, because newer APIs often resolve camera integration issues. Next, force stop the Google app and Google Lens if they're running. This releases stuck processes. Then clear cache first. If problems persist, clear app data, which resets Lens settings. You will sign back in, so have your account ready. Once cleared, restart the phone to ensure services reload cleanly and camera drivers reinitialize. After reboot, open Lens and grant any prompted permissions again. This sequence removes corrupted temporary files and often restores normal functionality. If Lens still fails, uninstall updates or reinstall the Google app so a fresh binary replaces a broken install. You can boot into safe mode to test Lens without third-party apps interfering. If it works there, remove recently installed apps. Check camera settings, set correct resolution and enable autofocus. Incompatible camera mods can block Lens. As a final step, back up your data and perform a factory reset only if nothing else works. Troubleshooting tip: note exact error messages and timestamps for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.